Dreadysays, Vanlife, episode 5. I'm now driving south from the Midlands back to the house to pack. It's going to be, everything pretty much is in the van already. It's drop van off, drive to London, get a train to London even, stay at a friend's in London, get on a plane Monday, Australia by our Wednesday, UK Wednesday, begin adventure. And the last 3 or 4 days have been a sort of taste of what winter van life would be. And what has been quite apparent is it's been gloomy and British and cloudy and miserable for 4 days, and I've been using all of my batteries, charging, keeping the laptop running, 100 watts here, the Starlink 20-30 watts there, my small travel kettle in the morning 500 watts, air fryer 1000 watts, and even with 200 amp hour of battery, and not moving the van very often because that charges it, it's I'm down to 10%. So I do have the power station from All Powers, and that ran my laptop for about 4 or 5 hours last night, which was good. So the long and short of it is I'm not worried about power, because hopefully I'm in Australia for a few months, then I'll be in Peru for a few months, come back for my birthday, and it will be sunnier. I need to up my solar game. I've only got 350 watts. I want to push that closer to 500 because I don't want to be moving the van to charge the batteries, etc. Things are now very real. I feel I can relax a little bit. Once my suitcase and my tech bag is packed, it's then just a couple of days of sort of recalibrating and chilling out and, getting ready for the flight and begin the adventure. It's crazy, really. It's quite emotional. The last couple of days with my mum and dad, it's like I'm not going forever. I'm not emigrating yet. I'll see you in a few months. They worry, don't they? And if you're watching this, you do. It all comes from a place of love. I will not miss the M1. It's a bit of a car park as usual, but I'm looking forward to the content, the reviews, getting my mental and physical health back. They're not terrible, but they need a bit of work. The stress and strain of the last few weeks, I'm getting a bit gaunt, so I need to fatten up a bit. But I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good, and thanks to everyone that's joining me on this adventure. This one's a bit of a rambler, but yeah, it's happening. So you guys take care, and I'll probably catch you down under now in the future where it's bloody hot, never too hot. Catch you for the next one. Take care. Bye bye.